Oh, we're recording? All right. Good evening. Welcome to the first annual Cannavale fireworks show. Actually, it's not the first annual. It's just the first time that we're actually going to record this. And I wish I had more fireworks to display for you. Holy shit. But this should be enough. You want to direct your attention over here. In no particular order, we're going to be igniting some of these babies. We don't know what they do, what they look like. We got some small ones here. We're going to strategically place these, and these as well. Some left in this one. This one, unfortunately, it's like a dud, so we may not go for that one. And this mother of all of things, we don't know what this does, but we're saving it for last. So we hope you enjoy this. Show will commence in one moment. And cut.
Okay, recording.
Okay. I don't know if you can see me or not. Yeah, can you see me now? Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun tonight. Some fireworks, baby. There. Well, you can't see it, but you will see lights, you will see colors, you will see it all. So, just give me 1 second. Cut it. Those are just the small ones now. Oh, it gets better. Roll it, because I'm a madman, baby. I'm a madman. I got fire. Okay, what's next? What is next? Let's try this cube over here. Oh, yeah. This looks interesting. Let me make sure anything I got to unwrap? Guess not. Here we go. It's time for sunflower time. Can you still see me? Can you see my face?
Yeah.
Carlos, pon el unicornio, no me dé mía. Ahí.
All right.
No tan cerca. Ese cómo va a ser alto. Movete this way, Carlos. Move this way, papá. Move. Quick. A ver qué hace ese.
I'm curious.
Ooh.
Está bonito. Oh, wow, that's nice.
Wow. Now we're getting some good stuff. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Are you getting this?
Whoa.
Holy. That's a long one too. This is the Silver Spangler base fountain, and we're gonna give this one a shot, see how it comes out. Come along. Come along with me.
Hey, where'd he go?
They're not done. There you go. Oh yeah.
Be careful, Carlos. Wait till go off completely.
That's why I got the hose.
Ay, todavía tiene luz. Okay, what we have here, these two little bastards right here. Oh, gee, I dropped one. That's not good. These two little bastards right here are going to blind everyone within a few mile radius because these suckers are bright. Come with me and I'll show you what I mean. All right, I got some different ones here. I got some different ones here. Okay, that didn't go quite as we planned. I didn't end up lighting both of them. I actually lighted one and then almost set myself on fire on the next one. I hope you haven't caught that. Okay, we got these little babies right here. Precious stone and Mother Nature. We're gonna go with the precious stone first. I got this little thing right here, a ray gun. I'm not sure how this works. If I'm supposed to hold it and then light it. So I'm afraid. So we'll try this one right now. This is a different one. Okay. Don't get your hopes up, right? Don't get your hopes up. It's fine right there. There you go. Okay, that was pretty fun. I like that one. That wasn't bad. Still waiting for this big one right here. And we still got these little small ass ones. What to do next? Well, let's try some of the small ones. No, we got 3 of them. No, we got 4 of them. Okay, I'm just gonna toss these suckers. So, let's see how this works. Actually, I shouldn't toss it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see where this thing.
We're gonna get the cherry now.
The fuse is wet, that's why.
Try it out. Get out of there.
Yeah. All right. Woo! Yeah.
¿Y el otro? Happen to the other one. Try rain the floor with a rain the wet, try the other side.
Wet.
Huh? Be careful, Carlos. Carlito, no. Así, mira, papá, así.
Woo!
Así,
That's what I'm talking about. Let's try that one more time, shall we? I hope you're catching this. Oh, that was a weak one. What was that? Come on. Come on. Okay, these babies, I'm just going to light them one at a time and toss them. And hopefully... see how these work.
for everyone.
Le voy a decir esto a Lucita.
That's pretty wow. We rolled through this one, didn't we? We still got this big one left. All right, I got 2 more left. Don't worry, it's not that smart. See? Don't film the other guy's stuff. Film my stuff. I got the good stuff. Me. All right. I'm inhaling smoke here. Okay. Well, now it's time for this big monkey right here. And I can't get to the thing just yet. Okay, we have to unwrap this whole thing first. What do you think? Do we have to unwrap this?
Nah, just take out the.
That's a glow in the dark fuse, folks. You know what that means? We're gonna see if we can make this sucker look. Are you filming this whole thing? Okay, well this is ridiculous. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there we go. Last one, the TNT Starburst fountain. All right, this is the last one. It's the biggest one. There you go. That's a finale. Now I can't see anything. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the fine elderly people of Pacifica for selling me these fireworks, even though most of them were sort of crappy. But that last one was pretty sweet. I'm gonna buy more of those things next year and set them all up, one on each corner, just let it rip. Well, thank you for tuning in this year. So long, everybody.